Good Thursday evening, Central Texas. It was pretty nice today. Maybe not as nice as the past few days, but barely below 70 degrees in the 60s. Not so bad, right? Considering we have not hit March quite yet. About to, though. 66. Mostly sunny skies looking out over Temple right now. It's been pretty windy throughout the day today. It looks like winds are finally starting to be a non-issue, non-story. Sustained at 9 here in Temple right now. Overall, pretty calm and quiet post cold front from yesterday, of course. Across the state, seeing 60s and 70s. 70 in DFW right now, 65 Lubbock, 68 Austin, 69 in Waco. No rain on radar to show you for today. You can see the effects of the front running about 10-15 degrees in terms of the temperature change over the past 24 hours. So yes, a little bit cooler, but other than that, this front wasn't nearly as potent as a couple of the ones that we have seen as of late. If you're going up to Dallas, down to San Antonio, Houston, anywhere across Texas, or even neighboring states, you could see it is a calm and quiet weather pattern with nothing to show you on radar. Earlier this morning, there were some very light showers, but other than that, it did not accumulate to anything today. We roll on into the overnight hours. You may be a little bit surprised when you step out tomorrow morning. Our western counties may even plunge right below the 40-degree mark. The rest of the viewing area going to be clear skies, which does allow for temperatures to plummet slightly more than when it's humid with cloud cover. You can see that winds will start to shift, and yes, we're going to be likely in the lower 40s when you wake up tomorrow morning for the commute. So you're going to want that heavy coat, and then you're going to want to take it off. So I would make sure you have something under it, because we're going to go right back up into the 70s by tomorrow afternoon. You can see southerly wind flow, and yes, the sun will be shining. The winds aren't going to be up much. It is actually going to be a really nice patio afternoon, if you like patios like I do, for Friday afternoon. We roll into Saturday morning, kick off the weekend, starting out in the 50s that morning. That afternoon, yep, you're reading this correctly, right at about 80 degrees for high temperatures. And the winds are going to be light, only about 5 miles an hour. It is going to feel borderline hot probably on Saturday afternoon if you're outside like I'm planning to be basically the whole day. But good day to prep your yard or something like that for spring, right? We go into Sunday, and this is when our rain chances begin but don't end. Now, it is a very slim chance, and it's in the back half of Sunday. I'm talking Sunday night, favoring our western counties right now. I would not pay attention too much over what I'm about to show you right now going into Monday, Tuesday on the exact location quite yet, because this is still pretty far off. But as you can see, starting Sunday night, rolling all the way through basically early afternoon on Tuesday, but especially Tuesday morning, we're going to be watching for potentially not only the chance of some isolated bouts of rain, but also potentially some thunderstorm activity, particularly the front half of Tuesday. You can see we could even have a dry line set up. A few of you probably know what that means. We are approaching spring after all. We've got temperatures in the 70s. I'm going to have a couple of breezy days, particularly on the back half of the 7-day forecast that I'm about to show you. Overall, the headlines being we are warming back up quickly from that front. Chances for rain are going to start Sunday in the PM hours, notating that not everyone's going to see rain each of these 3 days, and some of you may miss out completely, but it will be good to have some moisture in the area. Enjoy, and don't forget, you can always stream our weather content for free by downloading 6 Plus.